I am Deepa. I am going to give a short presentation on SQL Server 2008. SQL. The abbreviation of SQL is Structured Query Language. It is a case-sensitive language which can be written either in lowercase or higher case. Microsoft SQL Server is a relational database server developed by Microsoft. It is a software product whose primary function is to store and retrieve data. There are at least a dozen different editions of Microsoft SQL. This server is aimed at different audiences and for different workloads, that is ranging from small applications that store and retrieve data for millions of people. Microsoft SQL primary query languages are TSQL, that is Transact SQL, and ANSI SQL. The generation of SQL was started as the version of 7.0, the code-based SQL server, which was written by hand by a person, for MS SQL, which was guided by Sybase SQL server to Microsoft. By these, it has been entered to the entrepreneur level database market. Another version is 1.0, which was first named SQL for OS by 2, which is similar to Sybase SQL server 3.0 on Unix and VMI. VMI is a virtual memory system. After 1.0 server, there is another server developed, that is MS SQL server 4.2. Later, another server was 4.2 for Windows NT server, released at the same time as Windows NT 3.1. SQL Server 2008 includes support for structured and semi-structured data. It is a current version such as multimedia data can be stored as binary large objects. According to Paul Flessner, who is the Senior Vice President of SQL Server, is a backup for different versions of SQL data servers. SQL Server 2008 includes hierarchical data and includes Transact SQL. The full text search has been integrated with the data in data engines. Spatial data, which is of two types, the flat earth and a round earth. A flat earth data type represents a geospatial data which has been projected from its native spherical and coordinate system. The round earth data type, which uses ellipsoidal model in which Earth is defined as a single continuous entity. Approximately 70 methods are available to represent spatial operators. SQL Server 2008 includes better comparison features, which also helps in improving the serializability. It also includes capabilities for transparent encryption of data. Therefore, SQL Server Studio is also included in 2008. Thus, two SQL servers were introduced which were more advanced. This concludes the server of MS SQL Server 2008. Thank you.